Hi, I'm Damon Carpenter, Fire Chief of the East Chicago Fire Department. I want to welcome everyone to the open house, our annual open house. We have great things here, plenty of things for the kids. I want to thank Mayor Anthony Copeland and our sponsors here, and thank the men and women of the East Chicago Fire Department, and also special thanks to Public Works. They make every city event happen, and they work tirelessly, and they made this event happen. So just thank all the people of East Chicago, greatest city in the world.
Today I'm here at the East Chicago Fire Department open house. This is a great event for the community, so you can see what your firemen and women do here every day. If you can see, there's a large crowd here of people showing their support for the fire department. But more importantly, the fire department actually showing the community what they do and giving back a little bit to the communities.
Because when you got something like this, rescue comes first. Once we're sure that everybody's out, then we're gonna go ahead and start attacking the fire. Now that the rescue is done, at this point, now they're gonna concentrate more on putting the fire out now.
I'm here at the East Chicago Fire Department open house today. It's so nice to see everybody in the community learn about the fire department and exactly what they do for our community. They have a lot of vendors here also that give a lot of information to our community members and to our children. So important for our children to know about fire safety, what number to call, who they can count on. And it's always East Chicago Fire Department they can count on. Thank you to the East Chicago Fire Department for hosting this, and thank you, Mayor Anthony Copeland.